JPH Productions here. Today, man, I really want to share with you guys the lens I always take all the time to take picture of the birds. I finally take the lens. I said, let me shoot a video with it, okay? And then 70 by 350 millimeter on video. That's perfect. You know, I was shooting on S&Q mode the whole video. That means slow motion. There's no sound in there, and when it's slow motion, it's no record sound. And 24 frames per second and 100 M. The quality is so beautiful. That thing, man. I just like, you have to see the bouquet of that lens when you focus on the subject and blur the background, focus on the subject. But I was doing all those things on manual mode. I just do it manually. I don't let the camera focus for me, because those one I want exactly the image you're gonna look at. That's the way to get that bouquet. That's the way to get that image. Because if you leave your camera auto mode, what's gonna happen? It's gonna pick up on anywhere if we barely find it and or focus in this, focus. When you do it manually, take your time, do it manually, focus on which subject you want, and you got a nice bouquet when you do stuff like that. Man, you know what? Just take a look to see that 70 by 350 millimeter on S&Q mode, slow motion. Just take a look. you love what you just see, and if you're the first time to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, man. That's all. I got cool stuff coming all the time in the channel like that. We'll share it with you. Or if you're already a subscriber, all my subscribers already know, I always got surprise for you guys, you know. And that's it. Pretty soon, you know, next content's coming. You guys get ready for it. That's the way it is, as I always give stuff in my channel all the time if you a subscriber. That's it. And see you next time, man. Have a good day. Thank you for watching.